Coming up, I will discuss the essential things that marketers want from their employers. Let's get started. If you're new here, my name is Matthew Royce. I am a knowledge enthusiast. I love working with digital marketers like you and to share my knowledge of digital marketing. On this channel, I provide you with weekly tips on how you can grow your digital marketing career. It's not rocket science. Marketers want specific things from their organization they work for. However, not all employers have received the memo. With an increase in the number of people leaving their jobs, companies struggle to attract and retain talented marketers. This begs the question, what do marketers want? There are 5 basic things that every marketer wants from their job. Number 1, purpose. It's only when companies are clear about their purpose, have clearly communicated, and it is understood by the team that companies can achieve both unity of effort and distribution decision-making, said Mark Kohler, author of Leading with Purpose. Marketers want to know what they need to do to be successful at their jobs and how their job relates to the company's purpose. Marketers want to have a purpose for what they do every day. They need to know what they are doing is essential and has a goal for the greater good in the world. Marketers want meaningful work. Employers must help marketers connect the dots between their jobs and the purpose of the organization. If the mundane tasks are important to the company's success, how do those meet the company's broader goals? When employers give marketers a clear view of their responsibilities, roles, goals, everyone wins. For example, conducting performance reviews once a year doesn't cut it anymore. Most performance problems happen quicker than once a year. Performance usually suffers because there's a disconnect on expectations, a lack of communication, and no sense of purpose. Number 2, respect. We don't need to share the same opinions as others, but we need to be respectful, said Taylor Swift, an American singer and songwriter. We all want respect. We want to be treated with dignity. Marketers want to be respected as individuals who have different needs and passions. Everyone has different backgrounds and perspectives. Research says half of employees don't feel respected by their bosses. People expect to be treated like adults, not children. They want open and honest communication. Leaders should learn that the only way to get respect is by giving respect. Respect helps marketers learn from one another, overcome company challenges, and form meaningful relationships. Respect in the workplace is just like respect in life. Mutual respect should be a core part of every company. Number 3, education. The key to pursuing excellence is to embrace an organic, long-term learning process and not to live in a shell of static, safe meritocracy. Usually growth comes at the expense of previous comfort or safety, said Josh Watkins, an American chess player, martial arts competitor, and author. Marketers want to learn and become more successful at their jobs. They want to have the skills and tools they need to do their work effectively. With the nature of work changing, marketers want to be educated about new technologies and tools for better collaboration. Marketers want to be equipped with the tools and educations to grow their careers. They want to learn new skills so they can do their jobs better. They want to learn about their industry through events and conferences. They want to cultivate new relationships. Education boosts the confidence of marketers. Marketers want to work harder and smarter. With more education, marketers can make this happen. Learning is an excellent prospect for marketers to expand their knowledge and grow their careers. Number 4, recognition. People work for money, but go the extra mile for recognition, praise, and reward, said Dale Carnegie, an American writer and lecturer. Marketers want to feel appreciated. They want to be recognized for their hard work and feel valued for their daily work. Research says that a lack of recognition was a contributing factor in 44% of employees changing jobs. Marketers will do their job better when they are good at what they do. They want to be patted on the back for a job well done for achieving their goals. A simple thank you can be effective. However, many marketing leaders don't think enough about generally recognizing their employees. Recognition helps marketers see how their contributions help their team and the overall company. When organizations grow and change, recognition helps marketers build a sense of security in their value. Recognition helps marketers stay motivated and continue to work hard. Number 5, trust. Trust has to be earned and should come only after the passage of time, said Arthur Ashe, an American professional tennis player. We all want to trust our leaders at our companies. However, there are some bad leadership behaviors that destroy that trust, such as a lack of consistency and being emotionally intelligent. Trust in the workplace means that marketers enjoy the company culture. The culture promotes honesty, safety, and mutual respect. When marketers are proud of where they work, they will be more likely to go the extra mile. Trust in the workplace helps marketers feel secure with their jobs. Trust reduces turnover and enables people to have a significant influence on others. Trust is excellent for morale and motivation. Marketers are more likely to perform at a higher level when they are trusted to figure out how to best do their jobs. Okay, let's bring it all together. First, if you like what you saw here, please hit the subscribe button below. There are 5 things most marketers want from their marketing jobs. Those basic things are purpose, respect, education, recognition, and trust. When companies start with these basics of what marketers want, they can attract top marketing talent and get them to stay. If you're an employer, starting with these basics of what marketers want is the best way to attract and retain top marketing talent. If you're a marketer, make sure that these basic things are met when you work. Thank you for watching. Until next time.